Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream, guys. Good morning. I'm just gonna do a short stream ngayon. Just gonna do my weeklies plus dailies. Lagpas naman na ng 4 o'clock tapos hindi pa ako natutulog. But yeah. Nashi, good morning. Good morning. Thank you for like a live, Nashi. How are you? How's your morning? I hope you're doing good. Kamusta, kamusta? I'll do this muna. Good morning, Taya. Good morning. How are you? Have you already stepped na? I remember nandun ka sa stream ko kagabi. Pam, 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 pam. Pam, 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 pam. Wait, rinig ba yung electric fan ko sa sa stream? Hopefully not. Yeah, I see on Shunimi's stream. Yeah, ano yun eh, sa, tawag I see ya, Avatar. Yezu! We had a massive collab kagabi. We were playing, what do you call that? Yung, anong game yun? Yung Mecha Chameleon. Tapos, dapat after nun, maglalaro pa ako ng iba, pero, dahil na-overwhelm ako sa dami ng tao, hindi ako natuloy. At sabi ko, either sa hapon na lang ako mag-stream, or either next time or ngayong umaga. Since hindi pa naman ako natutulog kasi sanay na yung katawan ko na night shift ako, well, here I am. Understandable, at least you had your rest. Well, yeah, I guess. Not exactly rest na rest talaga, but social-wise, yeah, it was a rest. Hello, Master Palma Harushima, welcome. Good morning, everyone. Ano ba gamitin ko? Nag-AOE na ako kanina. Nagano din kasi nag-grind ako ng Ishusar kanina. Somewhat. Trilla Night. Same though, I'm just being chaotic in the BC. I'm making them lose their sanity. Technically kagabi. Kagabi, hindi nga ako hindi ako makapagsalita nun. Kasi I was like too overwhelmed sa dami ng tao. Taka na siya. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, there we go. Hello, Firefox. Harushima, welcome. Good morning, guys. Akala ko wala akong makukuha ang mga cards, Putix. Okay, nice. I'll get this. Sell you. Yan. Basta if there's like too many people sa VC, medyo na-overwhelm na ako nun. Kaya, umalis. Hindi na, wala naman ako magagawa kung ano. But if it's like a collab or something, mag-ano na ako. What do you call that? If it's a collab, no choice ako, pero mananahimik lang ako. Hello Val, Wonder Stream. Good morning. How are you? How's your morning? I hope you're doing good. Hi Ma'am Hello Nak. Hayo. Thank you for liking the live. Thank you. Papunta na sa work ko. Kaya mo yan. Ako nga matutulog pa lang eh. Tapos after nun, edi gigising at papasok na. Do this. Sell. Hindi, keep you muna. Okay, I can do a Cosmic Scholar dun. Ingat sa work mo pala, Val. Ingat. Kahit ako tinatamad ako pumasok mamaya, shoota. At alam ko ng naiirita ako sa mga customers ko. Thanks ma, and parehas lang po tayo, tamid din pumas. Ano lang sa akin is mamaya pa ako papasok. Pero ikaw ngayon, papasok na. Hello, Jingjing Makarashima, welcome. Okay. Feel ko magkakasipon na ako mamaya. Sana hindi. Huh. Okay, I can sell you na. Tapos, go laban ulit. Hello, Luna Feliday. Wahonoshima, welcome. Hello, Yan. And Katar Wahonoshima, welcome. How are you? How's your morning? I hope you're doing good. Good morning, Zed. Good morning as well. Hello, Vera Wong, Purple Heart, and Rich Wahonoshima, guys. Welcome, welcome. Ay, Katar, tanong ko lang. Kailan pala yung sinabi mong interview sa akin? Ngayon ba yun? Hindi ko natanda kung sinabi mo sa akin yung date or hindi eh. Medyo nervous ang tao na ito yung ngayon. Okay, okay. So, medyo tama nga yung naisip ko. Well, in that case, good luck sa interview. I hope you get the job, okay? Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan, ha? Believe yourself. Feel you, breathe you, need you. I want you to breathe me. I need you. Don't let eyes to love dig into your soul. Ay. Let us kiss. Answer your every wish. I know you never need. I want you to need me. Mamaya. Good luck, good luck. Kaya mo yan. I believe. I'll sprinkle you some, good luck dust. Kala ko TFT yung laro. Parang, I mean, yung gameplay nung mode na to is parang TFT wise. Pero, not the whole thing. Thank you. Basta alalahanin mo, wag ka sobrang honest. It's okay to lie dun sa interview. Hello, Anthony Morales. Welcome. Wag mo sasabihin na student ka. Sabihin mo na yun pag training ka na. Ay. Ano ninong luwa ko na Rishima, welcome. Tangay na pangalan. Hello, Puffer Piss. Welcome to Rishima, welcome. Hi. Okay. Baby, hello, Charmaine. Ako na Rishima, welcome. How would I feel fantasy? Ay, no. In between, I want you to lead me. Like the air you breathe, I want you to feel me. In everything, I want you to feel me. In your every dream. Baby, I taste and feel you, breathe you, need you. Hello, Saiwa Hiroshima, welcome. The air you breathe, I want you to feel me. In your every breath. Every dream. Baby, I taste you, feel you, breathe your nature. I want you to need me. Ay, back to back. It's all yours. Nice. Hello, Heart of Honor Shima. Welcome. Ano nga ba to? Ah, yung forecast characters nga pala. Sige, I remember. Uh, they are not the ones that I'm looking for, pero yan, saktong ano. Para at least, meron akong ganito.
I always deliver. Existence of unity. All will be swept away by the wind.
Visit na ano, na ilong. Napaka-sensitive, putex. Hmm. Uh, Ayun, Agi. Saan ilalagay si Aglaya? Sa baba siya muna. Sige. Ay, kulang pala ako ng ano. But I need the day demigod though. Ito is kay Anaxa. You know what? Wala ka work today. Later pa, later pa. Ahem. I can make ano? Yan pala, I can make day demigod eh. Mamayang ano pa ako, 8 p.m. So, bali 6 a.m. 6 a.m. 6 p.m. ako alis ng bahay. 6 p.m. or
Let
6:30.
me down. Eternal. All will be swept away by the wind.
Who's the little backstabber?
Thus our fates become one. So fragile, like a wisp of silk.
Oh.
On my command. Stay focused. In the name of preservation.
Well, anyway, ako ay magra-ready na happy streaming Zed. Okay, okay. Good luck on this interview ulit. And thank you for dropping by. Thank you so much. Remember, kain ka ng maayos para hindi ka
All will be
malutang.
swept away by the wind.
Eat well, dapat maayos palagi ang kinakain. Yes, yes.
In the name of preservation.
It's all yours.
Who's the little backstabber? Thus our fates become one. So fragile, like a wisp of silk.
Nice. Okay, get this. No. Yun. Si 3B. Wala nga, pwede ko nga pala, di nga pala siya, needed sa ano. Music's up. Knock, 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 at the clock. And like the baby, isn't she lovely? This Hollywood girl. And they say she's so lucky. Hello, Kay, welcome to stream. That's it. Cry, cry, cries. It's the lonely heart thinking. Then why do these tears come at night?
All
And the
will be swept away
planet
by the wind.
is the same. Out there, fire and up. The painting. The dawn, the island. The tell me the time it stops. Baby, isn't she lovely? This Hollywood girl. And they say she's so lucky. She's a star. 'Cause she cry, cry, cry in the lonely heart thinking. Hello, Elwan Rishima. Welcome. Why do these tears come at night? Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Ay, shit. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, Jang. Good morning. Kamusta ang tulog mo? And thank you for sharing live, Jang. Thank you. And thank you for like a live as well. How's your sleep? But why does she cry? I just woke up. That's good, that's
All
good.
will be swept away by the wind.
Listen and alive. Tonight. There's a lucky star. Gosh, she cry, cry, cries, and the lonely heart thinking. Are you gonna eat your breakfast na? Why do these tears come at night? Lucky. Cry, cry, cry. Yun, si IC. Sakto din. Come at night. Ano nga ba yung kaya na pa? Rock. Ito. Sino pwede? Kayo daw ito pwede lagay. Ah, habang wala pa siya. Ayun. Back into the arms and love. Lead me like I did before. Touch me once again. I remember then. Ayan, ganyan na lang. Tapos, sige, isang level up. Lurk muna ulit. Okay, okay. Lurk well sa'yo, Jang. Lurk well. At ako'y gagawa naman ng dailies pati weeklies. Tapos, end stream na.
All will be swept away by the
Literally just a quick stream lang before matulog. Okay. Wait. Hello, Shinjo. Welcome. Good morning. I'm the one who wants to love you more. Axie, hello, good morning, good morning. Kamusta, kamusta? How have you been? Ahem. Hi, Baba girl. Hello, kamusta? It's been a while. We haven't chatted for a while. How are you, Zed? I missed you. Eto, busy sa work. Kaya medyo inactive na din. But I'm trying my best na maging active pa rin sa streaming as much as possible. And as much as kayanin ko.
All will be swept
But other than that, I'm a working girly na. Eto dahil because of Philippine history. Kaya mo yan. You're in first year or second year, X? You're first year, di ba? If I remember correctly. Ah, wait, no. Baka turning second year. Turning second year, no. Tama? Oh, nice, nice. Good luck, good luck. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan, X. We can do this. Fighting. Fanatical lipunan killing me. Honestly, not exactly sa college, pero sa senior high school, medyo nahirapan din ako dyan. Which is ironic kasi history favorite ko, but the thing is, pag Tagalog, medyo ano ako. Medyo pumapalpak ako. It is sad. Oh, surprise! Andito si Sayuri. Uh, okay, bring you back. Ikaw talaga isa sa mga nauna akong naisip when it comes to history. I mean, I think it's not like a hidden fact naman between sa atin. Pero ang problem kasi, um, ibang, what do you call that? Ah, European history yung ano ko, yung pina-follow ko. Let me be the one to love you more. But I do know a bit of Philippine history naman. Nasang part ba kayo ngayon? Lend me your utak, please. Wag masyadong masyadong malaswa ang utak ko. Diyan yung katipunan stuff. Around 1880s, 1890s, 90s, 90s. I need money. Ay, hindi. Pwede ko lang tangan dito si Ron May. Saan ba si Small Herta? Naksa Jade. Okay, okay. Uh, there we go. Yeah, sell you. And sell you. Okay, we actually have the whole team na. I just need to level up. Ay, shoot. Sumobra naman ako. Never mind. Jose Rizal, December 30, 1896 na Tegi. May July 30, 2020. Kimi joke. Hello, could I have a ship? Ano ba yun? Exam nyo? Something I've been dreaming for. And do I adore. Long quiz ba? Good luck, good luck. July 20 na nga pala ngayon, no? Help AO team is hard at Monarch 34. I'm just, this is not Monarch 34. This is like, yung Amethyst Gold one. Yun kasi ginagamit ko pag fa-farm lang ako nung... That's what I use when I'm farming for the points. Anyways, like na ako review that. Okay, okay. Review well, XC. And good luck, good luck. Kaya mo yan. You can do it. Hello, Mr. Snowstorm. Ako understand mo ko. Come. Don't do that, please. Try to leave me. Just listen to excite me. Not say do you excite me. That's something I've been dreaming for. Ba't hindi siya automatic nag-ano dun?
Don't let me down.
But ano, this is AOE, 7 AOE, 3 AOE, then, Day Demigod. I just found this in the strategy, compendium type.
Nothing but a boy.
I'm waiting for you. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Nice. Na 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 na. Um, okay, that's good. At least there we go. Na 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 na. Okay. Hello, cute ladybug. Wakarushi, welcome. I can put this to you. Okay, and then... Hello, Michael Javier. Wakarushi, welcome. Hello, Ash. Wakarushi, welcome. Do I need to put anyone else? I guess I can put you mamaya. Hello, Love XOXO. Wakarushi, welcome. In ecstasy. So don't
We always
stop me now. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. Ang kati ng mata ko.
nothing but a boy. Open sesame. Glimpse me now. Time to twirl. Time to twirl.
Try ko ay kahin gising ko mamaya, buisit. Na oras na ba? 6:08.
Who's the little bastard?
I'll probably end at like either 6:30 or 7. Para either 1 or 1 hour and a half yung stream ko. I'm having a call. Don't stop me now. Another call. Don't stop me. Don't stop me now. Myself at all. You think it's good Mars. Wait. Whoa, 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 explode. Degrees out of Mr. Fahrenheit. If I was at the speed of light, I wanna make a supersonic man on you. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Hey, 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 don't stop me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't stop me. Good time.
Endless rhythm. Nothing but a boy. Time to twirl. Expand your thinking. Watch it grow. Time to twirl.
Burning to the sky, yeah. 100 degrees and I call me Mr. Fahrenheit. Running at the speed of light, I wanna make a supersonic out of you. Don't stop me now.
Kinda
Don't
hurt.
stop me now.
Endless rhythm.
Excuse me.
Nothing but a boy. Time to twirl.
Nagbablock na naman yung nose ko, visit. Hello, Nizar. Welcome to Shima. Welcome. Or Nizar.
Time hurts. Stars shine for the heroes. Endless riddle. Nothing but a boy. Open sesame. Glimpse me now. Time to twirl. Time to twirl.
Callie, good morning. Good morning. How are you? Nag-HSR siya. Same. I mean, weekly plus daily. Tapos apocalypse, reset pa. Kaya, pero ito, I'm doing currency wars right now para ma-level up yung points dun. I think I'm at like 162 out of 170 na. Hello, Ur. Welcome to Rishima. Welcome. Where do I want to go? Hold me now. Touch me now. I just wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change, man. Oh, wow. Yes, dude. Okay, I'ma chill here. Okay, okay. No worries lang. Wait lang. I'm having a blockage sa nose ko, visit. Wait. Tapos na yung yung stream mo. Like, alam ko you were doing karaoke. Oh, you were doing karaoke ka, earlier eh. Yeah, I just finished. Okay, okay.
By a shooting star.
Nag-karaoke ka na lang hanggang hanggang matapos?
May the ocean.
What was I to be?
Don't blame me. May
There's
the wind.
all to be awful. Oh, oh.
Whence hatred
Hello, Jose Rizal. Sayang wala na yung friend ko kanina dito. Sakto Filipino History Cell sa college kanina eh. Actually ngayon. Nag-league kanina tas kumanta na. Yeah, I think I saw you playing League nung one time nag-scroll ako sa TikTok. Kasi may tinitignan lang ako nun. Tas ayun. Pero nag-join na ako nung nasa Roblox ka na. Hello, Ayana Koji Kiyotaka. Welcome to Shima Welcome. Change my love for you. Tinatamad daw pumasok mamaya. Wait lang, I'll be right back. Okay, okay lang, Kaali. Go, take your time. Hello, Yuki. Welcome to Shima. Welcome. I'm gonna take shower, then higa na. Okay, okay. Go lang. Shower wells. Better days that are too short. Better to ask more than your love.
endless riddle. Expand your thinking. Watch it grow. Time to twirl.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know how much I love you. Gonna change my whole life too, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Do-do-do. I love you. Don't say that I'd be sure of. I'm asking for than your love.
Don't let me down.
Ayoko marami minom ng Cetirizine kasi mamaya before ako pumasok later, kasi inom din ako ng Cetirizine. Ayoko
Shine for the
Cetirizine ako ng Cetirizine. Welcome back, Kali. Ang bilis mo naman. By the way, what time ka till mag-stream? Probably around 7. Since mag-apocalypse pa ako. Is that the dream to reach buffet and you? Okay, okay. No worries. Hindi pa naman ako mag-end. Smile like Mona Lisa. Did I chat? Did I find a true romance? Hello, fan Wondershim. Welcome. Thank you for the follow. Thank you so much. How are you? How's your morning? I hope you're doing good. What do you say? Shit. Yan, ganyan na lang. Sakit ang ilong ko. Wait, on-field strike ba to? Oo nga. I guess go for that. And it sat down in the grass like the Eiffel Tower. I was so happy we had met. In a situation of no regrets. Ah, yes. If these years was the time of the flower power. I could probably put this on you. Tapos, ganyan na lang. That's in our last dance. I can still recall our last summer. I still see it all. Little tourist jam round the Notre Dame. Our last summer, lost in hand in hand. Paris restaurant. Our last summer, I did on a song. These are story play. We're this far away. Our last summer, walked it out again. Hello, Clark. See you. Harushima. Welcome. This I just need another Anaxa. Sige na nga. Pam, pam.
I always deliver. Flowers bloom for tomorrow. Ill fate descends.
Sorry. Thank you for sharing the live pala, ano, friend. Thank you so much. And thank you for liking the live as well. Ah,
Expand your thinking. Watch
I can still recall our last summer. Hello, Una Jean. Harushima. Welcome. Our last summer. I can still recall our last summer. I can see it all. Little Paris jam on the Notre Dame. Our last summer, walking hand in hand. Paris restaurant. Our last summer, I can saw a song. Last bus na nga pala to. Nagpo-phone na lang ako habang nag-aano eh. Habang hinihintay to eh.
beneath the water lies an endless abyss.
Oh, Xavier Amante, welcome to Hiroshima. Welcome.
Stars shine for the heroes. The intoxicating memories waiting to be woken.
Appointments are hard to do. Silently so busy all the way through. The state of duty, the bleeding of you. David, I didn't know what I As the sun don't know what to say. This is just my temper. 10 times a day. Didn't need it, there's no time on its way. It's bound.
Nothing but a boy.
I wanted to do all that if it wasn't. Not the two hurt us like doing the most damage. Oh, that was just one cycle? Hindi ko napansin. Wasn't for the night. There's a time it's time to start to fall. Oo nga, no? Well, technically, Terta, tapos Little Herta, tapos High Silence, but still. Top 2 pa rin yung dalawa. Tactical 1, kinapos pa ng 2 level. Hello, Finon, Makarashima, welcome. Good morning, how are you? How's your morning? I hope you're doing good. What's up? Hiyo! Just doing my dailies ngayon, tapos weeklies. Pam 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 pam. Ay, hindi ko pala muna i-suspend yung ano yun? Yung ito, Deep Immersifiers kasi mag-ano siya, magdo-double siya this week eh. Tam tam taram. Want to turn you on how this. This is such a bad for something like this. Pakicheck nga ng build ko kay Falinon, yeah. Sige, send ano, UID. Oh my god, ito na naman tayo sa review. Kasi ikaw lang na-reviewin ko, tapos start, ano, lipat na ako ng, hindi, not lipat ng laro. Ano tawag ito? Ano na ako. Apox. Kaya na-ata kita. Ano yung ID mo? Ano name mo dito sa laro pala? Sorry. If it wasn't for the night. Kalos. Okay. Hello, Kyoko. Welcome. The sun. Ata. If it wasn't your night, if it wasn't for the night. Ito yun, diba? I'll assume na oo. Kaya titignan ko na. Okay. Good sa crit damage, but yung crit rate, do you run him with Sunday ba? Hello, Babita, CMG, Wakadushim. Pero, yeah, I think, yung crit damage mo okay na, pero yung attack pati crit rate mo it could be better. Lalo na sa crit rate. Kasi mataas nga yung crit damage mo, pero ang baba naman ng crit rate mo. I'm guessing you're using a crit damage, what you call that? Crit damage chest piece. I highly suggest na mag-crit rate ka muna. Para at least mataas yung chances mo na makaka-crit ka talaga. So, yeah. Nakuha ko na ba ito? Hindi yan. Okay, nakuha ko na. Ano nga ba gagawin ko? Ayun. Let's do this muna. Isang ganito. If it wasn't for the nights. I'll do a casters on this one. Sabi siya, pupunta pa ako sa school kasama kapatid. Okay. Ingat sa school. Ingat sa pagpunta kayong dalawa. Ingat. Tapos, remove you. Tapos, Irene.
Stars, shine for the hero.
Ay, si ano pala to?
Okay.
Si Tombstone.
Receive divinity.
As you wish. Flowers bloom for
Okay na yan, Potex.
kinda hurt. I will pass on your gift, lady.
Nakapag-claim na ba ako? Nakapag-check-in na ba ako sa ano? Oyo? Di ba pala? Yan, nakapag-check-in na. Let it flow. Hello, Yamakurushi. Welcome. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow.
Root here. Embrace a new life. Press light into darkness. Darkness with me.
Parang mamamatay pa ata Lucho ko.
May death protect us. Deliberate war.
Away we go!
Stars, shine for the heroes. Memories waiting to be woken up by a shooting star. Remember me with love. May life and death sprout new buds.
Away we go!
Don't blink. Need passage. Never have farewells.
Hello 1B Weaponry Shima welcome.
The dead return.
Set up na ako ng ano, ng alarm habang naghihintay dito.
Embrace a new life. Return to dust.
Uh,
I will pass on your gift later.
3.
May death protect us. Embrace a new life. Don't blink. Meeting destruction with me.
La la la.
As we've written.
La 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 la. Let it flow. La 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 la.
May death protect us.
Receive divinity. The dead return.
Theatra. Root here. Embrace a new life. Return to dust.
Ay, salamat tapos na. Any good? No. No. Uy, I got an ano, a like from that. Hello Callie, welcome back. How was your shower? I'm back. Welcome back. Mag-aapak pa lang ako eh. Pero, alin ko muna to. Lamig ng tubig. Ay, sa bagay, nung naligo ako kanina, malamig din yung tubig. Since it was like 3:30, 3:15. Had a hold on me. Expectations. There isn't anything you need today. Your eyes hurt and shiver. There's in the end looking to me because gusto ko na makuha yung ano. What if never mind. Tiyataman ako mag currency wars ulit. Ito lang muna yung ginamit ko sa kanya, temporarily para sa crit damage. Although I do need yung crit rate sa kanya. Ano ba gagawin ko? Ayun. Still now, hindi ko pa na nagagawa yung Starboard nito, visit. Hello, Sanan Wondershima, welcome. What was that? Ay. Skill damage and alt damage, okay. Okay. For you, I think, I know what I'm gonna use. For you, gagamitin ko is... Tapos sa'yo is Himeko. I'll try may Himeko dito. Sunday or Sunday. Then... Ay, no! Di pala pwede si... Ba't yung normal blade kinuha ko dun? Alam mo, may Rise of Hiroshima ko nag-come. 1, 2, there's any longer, I don't want you. There's nothing left to say. Ano ba yung ano nito? Traces. Hindi. Okay, pwedeng RMC. Do I just go all advance sa kanya? Not all. Technically not all advance, but like, oh. Kasi lahat ng Dawish amplifiers ko nandito eh, except kay Joucho. Strong. Okay, by fire naman yan. Oh, wait. I think this is good. Oh, not that I will survive. Wala naman ako members price dyan. Double check lang yung mga gamit nila. Hindi. Tama lang pala. I got the final say. Ay, wait. You're still not using your, your regular body. Nothing left to say. Hello, Kazuki, Hiroshima, welcome. Good morning. Is this yung 5? Okay. Okay, let's go. Usually yung third round is yung third neto is inano ko lang, ino-auto ko lang. Pero since na-try natin si Himeko, let's okay, do this. Summon mem. Do this. Permanence. Okay, should I advance Sunday to buff Himeko, then him advance... Okay, I'll do that, I'll do that. Do this. And this. Her damage could be better. I'm trying, I might get her yung her LC pag patapos na yung yung banner niya. I'll save their ults mamaya. Hello Daniela Hiroshima, welcome. Actually no, mag-ult ka Hindi. I can... Hello Tara, Hiroshima, welcome. Or Tara. I'll do this. Tapos... ano ko kaya to? Okay, I can advance Himeko.
We learn who the nameless true rise toward new dawn.
AoE muna. Hello, Heartwater Shim. Advance Himeko again. Oh, we're done. We're done with this one. Okay, just need to improve Himeko a bit more. Ay, buang! Hi- Si Ho-Ho nga pala dapat gamit ko dito. Wait. Eh. Yung kaya na lang naman eh. Nasaan yun? I forgot. Putang ina. Ulitin ko ulit. Ah, no. Never mind. Okay na yun. I forgot na nawawala sa isip ko palaging palitan yung ano, yung healer dun sa Assassin kay Ashwell Putex. Okay lang yan. I'll do this na muna. Hello, Aaron Mahoroshima. Welcome. Ayun, okay. So... Although siya rin yung susunod ngayon eh. Ah, still, I'll do it. Be the try, usually the test to see. And would be the fra. Ay, sure nga. Dati hindi ko pala yun ano. I think he'd be down, yeah. Oh, Sarahi, Hiroshima, welcome. I want to see. Peso to tra. To rest to see.
We learn who the nameless truly are. Drive toward new dawn.
Fish damage. I to be fair, she's doing good. I just need to improve her, I don't know, relics tapos level up her traces. Okay, ngayon gamit ko na si Ho-Ho. Naalala ko na, Diyos ko. This will up. Fuck, mali yung ano ko. Mali yung pagkakano ko. Wait, restart. Ano sa iyo, Mahoroshim? Ngayon ako palagi pag ano, pag gamit ko yung team ni Ashwell. Nawawala sa isip ko si, ano, si M-Dade yung may pang damage na ano, na, tawag ito, na technique. Ano the story writer of Hiroshima Falcom? Technique yun. At pala mamaya ako nag ano, nag-ult kay 3B, buong. Okay din. Hindi, focus ako lang ako sa'yo. Puro AoE naman tong dalawang to eh. I like how Hiroshima come. Later, lady, up high. Let's say bye. No, no, no.
Underestimating us will cost you.
Bye. Good morning, Q. Ano? Q ba pa, ano? Tatawag ka sa'yo? Save ko yung ult niya to sa ano? Second, ano? Gao. Okay, okay. Yun na natatawag ko sa'yo, Gao. Kumalala ko. Ay, shoot! Wala pala siyang hindi. Okay na yun. Pero Jason, no Hiroshima Falcom. Go, go, go! Ay, did ko din to yung damage ata. Is together. Kakain pa ba ako after the tour? Diretso tulog na ako. Nice. 7-6. Okay. Okay, next ano. Diretso starward ko na. Ay, sino kaya yung pangatlo? Putex. Ah, wait, no. I think I can do this. I think. Hello, Hanaliya. Hiroshima Falcom. May anuhin lang ako para hindi na ako magkanda leche-leche na naman mamaya. Asan yun? Yan, oil lady. Ayan. Nang hindi na ako mahirapan mamaya.
Prepare to gaze at
Okay. I'll still use the same team here. I hope Himeko is still strong enough para i-handle to. Where's Sunday? Good luck. Sana, sana. Sana talaga makuha ko ngayon. Kundi ba tutulog ako na ano, masama loob ko. Charot. Pero kaya ni Himeko. I mean like, underbuilt Himeko ko eh. Hey. Where's the HPT? Ayun. Sorry, bulag. Ashvale. Hey. Ah. Ah. Dito. Ano meron dito? Somebody said that there's a love. Oh. I can do DOT. Or I can do Anaxa. Although, hindi. Si Sunny na sa ano eh. Hindi. Alt damage na lang siguro. But 3 is on the second ano. Okay, I think I might have a plan. Yeah, I'm planning ito use si Mighty. Ang ano ko nga lang is kulang-kulang yung need ko lang i-shuffle yung mga ano supports. Sino pwede sa second ano? I mean I can do ano, Jiao Cho. Amplifier naman din siya. Not as great as ano, as 3B but still good. Tapos hello, weirdo. Ako rin siya makakam. Basta ito lang gamitin ko dito. Now, where the hide to push my love aside. I'm out of my head. Hopelessly devoted. Ilang points kailangan ko bawat ano sa action value per node? Oh, 3-3. Okay. 9 total. Okay. Okay, I can advance you. Okay, tas unahin mo to. Hopefully my Himiko is strong enough just to finish this first part.
Relearn who the nameless or distant horizons.
My strength is in turn. Rise to the challenge.
Should I just to get his ult up? Yeah, not just to get his ult up. Tapos you get up
I'm not fighting alone.
and get this. I feel like this not doable. Feel ko lang. Pag pag skill ko kaya to, maano mag-ult kaya to. Nice. And saktong break. Hello, Colored Water Shima. Welcome. Hindi pala tamatay yung isang ano, shield na to. Visit. Yun. Nice. Ano yung ko na to? Hello, Sanon Water Shima. Welcome. Ay, uh,
Start with a single step. This mortal. Guide you on your path.
I'm not
Who
confident.
the nameless truly are.
Um,
Toward distant horizons.
My strength isn't what it was. Dragons soaring above the land. This is permanent.
Rise toward new dawn.
yeah, marami namang ano skill points.
This is being in sync. Trust.
Advance.
Toward distant horizons.
Rise to the challenge.
Ikaw ulit.
Rise toward new dawn.
I'm on it.
Should I get his ult up as well? Yeah. Well, marami pang skill points. Eh.
I heard the call. This mortal.
Now we're starting over again. This time is never the pace away. As like the lover of friend. We are starting over again. Yeah, I'm not confident ngayon. I'm not sure sa ibang teams ko nga lang.
My purpose is to protect. Dragons soaring above the land.
Mukhang mahirapan din ako dyan. I mean, at least you have ano, you have, what you call that? Elation team. And you also have, remembrance. Ako wala nun eh. Ah. Hello, Lock. Powder Shiva from. Survivability is not a problem. Ang problema is yung damage. Oh my gosh. I-save ko yung ult ni ano. Ult ni... pangalan nito? Ni Kalos sa next round. Bawas sa action. Kaya nga eh. This up po. Text 1% pang hayop. Di ko alam kung i-ult ko ba to or AoE ko. Kasi pag AoE ko to, sayang yung Paul. Hindi. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I'm gonna do this. Please, matanggal. Please, please, please. Go down. Okay. Putang ina, kinulam pang hinayupak. I should have just trusted my instincts. Wait lang. Sandali. Do I need to change this ba? Um... Ay, nakita ko na naman to, putex. May... Wait lang. Wait. Savage. Ay, shoot. Synthesize. Sana may gumana. Sana may maayos. Asan yun? Pero usually scam lang yung nakukuha ko dito eh. Come on. Hello, Star Wonder Shim. Putang ina, puro crit damage na kukuha ko dito ah. Wag na nga. This is gambling all over again. Ah. Man, I feel like a woman. Pwede ba unahin mo na yung ibang ano? Ibang Star Ward? Pwede naman siguro yun, diba? Try ko nga muna to. Hello, Fries, Wonder Shim. Welcome. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, try out there na. Wait lang, may replyan ako.
Help us with this big guy.
Hello, CJ, Wonder Shim. Welcome.
Turn over this eternal.
Let's wait. Submit.
Lazad, yung nahiya dahil sa sinabi ko sa kanya. What happened?
Stars, shine for the heroes.
How noisy.
Sana in the future umuwi na sa akin si Cyrene. Si ano? Si Hyacinth. Parang feel ko delikado din ako dito putex.
Flowers,
Ano sabi ko, miss ko na siya. Agay, ayun. Ano sabi niya?
I can't die.
underestimating us past you.
Thanks.
Kinulang pa ako ng isang charge, hayop.
Eternals.
Please, mag 50 ka. Yun. Okay, mamaya ka na mag-ult.
It's my turn to shine. Stars, shine for the heroes.
You chose the wrong enemy.
Mag-heal mo. Sabi niya, Sir Goku Atay, you'll like, OMG. What does that mean? Also, Sandy Wakanurushima, welcome.
I can't die.
Okay.
Dying soul. Face me.
Parang matamaan din yung isa. One 8 na yung kagad yung action AV ko, visit.
Flowers, bloom for
Ayun, nag-ult. Kapag-ult na siya.
woken up by a shooting star. Remember me with love.
Ikaw.
May strike, be crowned king.
I miss you so much. I really want to see you. Oh, yun yung sabi niya sa'yo.
Eternals.
Yeah, tapos sabi mo din miss mo siya. Oh, so what's wrong with that?
Don't blink. May strike, be crowned king.
Hello po sa mga Hiroshima, welcome. Good morning. Eh, paano kung natapos yung ano? Yung last na papok? Shoot ah.
Receive divinity. I can't die, but thanks.
You will when you believe. You will when you. Dapat nonchalant ako like, yeah. Ba't kasi magiging nonchalant? Diyos ko. Kali, I don't think wala akong may matatapos ako ngayon. Nakakaramdam na ako. Parang feel ko need ko na lang to itulog.
Don't blink.
Thank you for the heart, me fries. Say thank you. Ay, salamat. Hindi, ano ko muna.
Eternal sleep.
I'll share mine tomorrow. Okay, okay. I'll try to go by.
Dying accepts
Ang kasaya yung ano ni Cyrene ni Beth. Need kong maano mo na to.
Don't blink.
Para doble to.
Don't blink. Be crowned king. What is hatred with love?
I watch what I wanna do. Literally better love to do. It's magic.
receive divinity. I can't.
Look, we're flying. Watch closely.
Ay, mali. Oh, text. Hindi pa umabot yung pag-click ko ng 3.
I can't die.
Don't blink. Be crowned king.
Eternal stay.
This 150. Oh, text. Hindi nag-150.
I'll see you off.
Ay, Lazad, pakala mo paano di magpalat like OMG nanonood siya pag nag-sales ako. Maling tao yung tinatanungan mo. Please, Diyos ko. 1.5 na yung natitrang ibig ko.
Let's settle this. Receive divinity.
Hindi ko naman ma-ask friends ko eh.
Prepare to await.
Ano ba yan? Nagtagal pa sa 1%? You know what? Itutulog ko na lang to. Lalo na lang ng mga guides mamaya po. Text. Or kung kailan kong gagawin ko to ulit. At 7 o'clock na. Sama ni. Uy. Eh. Either that or Charot. Night night. Zed. I'm a na. Okay, okay. Good night, good night. I hope you sleep well. And kung maaga ako magising mamaya, I'll check your stream out later. Kung ano man yung stream, okay? Bye-bye, Kali. Thank you for dropping by. Night night. Take a chance, take a chance, take a chance on me. Pow, 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 pow. Honey, I'm still free. Take a chance on me. Gonna do my very best. Gonna let you see. Do the best. Take a chance, take a chance, take a chance on me. Pow, 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 pow. Honey, I'm still on me. Okay, got. I forgot how to speak. Okay, guys, I'll be going na. This is really just a short HSR stream of you seeing me suffer sa HSR. Ay, di pa kasi ako makapaggastos masyado sa lalaro. But in the future talaga. But yeah. Alright, guys. Thank you to everyone who supported me today. Thank you to everyone who liked, everyone who shared, everyone who followed, everyone who gifted. Thank you so much, guys. I hope all of you have a nice day ahead. Or sa mga matutulog pa lang, I hope you have a good night's sleep. Or good morning sleep. And bye-bye, okay, guys? Take care, okay? Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.